You can easily insert out Google Sheets data inside of Google Sites. But for that, first of all, you need to have Google Sheets made up and saved onto your Google Drive. And if you want to learn more about Google Sheets, then you can check out my playlist on Google Sheets as well. So over here on the right side, you can see that I am on the insert section. And if you want to insert out Google Sheets, you can scroll down and here you can see Sheets is an option. If I were to click on Sheets right here, then Google Sheets opens up. So whatever Google Sheets that you may have stored on your drive, it opens up right here. So I'm just going to go around over here and then select out Data 1. And then what happens is that it can be double clicked and it can be inserted, as you can see right here. You can resize this and you can see that the sheet is dynamic. There's the form and everything right here, which the users can click on. So if I were to go around right here, click on insert, then another sheet can be inserted over here as well. You can resize the sheet right here according to how you like it. You can go around, resize it and place it however you want, and the data will be there on your Google site. So if I were to go on to preview now, so what happens is that you'll see that this is how it looks. So you can see that there's the image right here, and you can see that there's the data of Google Sheet, which can be opened up in a separate spreadsheet over here as well. You can see that it is quite dynamic, and you can also access out multiple tabs if there are multiple tabs, as you can see right here. So that is how you can insert out Google Sheets inside of your Google Sites. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.